Welcome to the lecture series on basic mathematics. I am Dr. Mohammad Mazharul Haq. We have started algebra and already we have covered the first portion, logarithm. In today's lecture, we will start the determinant and in successive lectures, we will try to cover the determinant portion. So, the objective of the lecture is to first of all understand the concept of determinant and with some examples will be familiar, and the outcome is to understand and to find some unknowns values within the determinant. Already we are well familiar, हमको पता है the determinant of second order is nothing but such type of term. Determinant of any such type of small matrix, this quantity a11, a12, a21, a22 determinant we are denoting like this. हम determinant को इस type में denote करते हैं. So determinant of this is nothing but the product of this one into this minus this one into this, right? So the determinant of the second order is this one. Now this determinant and the Cramer's rule, just will recall, Cramer's rule for the second order is what? To solve such type of two equation, system of two equation in two unknowns. यहाँ पे two unknowns है x1 and x2. To find this x1 and x2, what we are doing? We are taking the determinant of this coefficient matrix, coefficient, this determinant of this coefficient a1, a11, a12, a21, a22. This determinant we are calculating. If this determinant is becoming non-zero, अगर ये determinant non-zero होता है, then only we are trying to solve this system of equation. If this determinant is zero, we'll stop there and say this system of equation has no solution. ये system of equation का solution कब रहेगा? When this determinant is non-zero. Determinant of this coefficient a11, a12, a21, a22. So to find the value of x1, what we'll do? We'll just change this coefficient, the columns of the first one b1, b2 by this a11, a21. ये फर्स्ट कॉलम को हम रिप्लेस करेंगे ये जो राइट हैंड साइड के कोएफिशिएंट्स है b1, b2 और इसको न्यूमरेटर में, इसको डिनोमिनेटर में हमारा जो ऑलरेडी हमने डिटरमिनेंट कैलकुलेट किया है इसको, और x2 को किस तरह फाइंड आउट करेंगे? सेम यहाँ पे x2 के कोएफिशिएंट वो a12, a22 यहाँ पे जो यहाँ पे डिटरमिनेंट में एग्जिस्ट है इसको रिप्लेस करेंगे b1, b2. So this determinant already we know how to solve a11 into b2, b1 into a21. Yeah, already we have seen in our school algebra. So just this is the recalling of the determinant and to solve the system of equation with the help of Cramer's rule. इसको हम in detail भी देखेंगे. Just to recall, we are well familiar with this. I am taking this and इसको in detail भी देखेंगे. Similarly, for the third order or three equations, if we have determinant of order 3 by 3, then how to calculate? See, determinant of order 3 by 3, what we are doing, we are taking this a11 and skipping this row and skipping this column. We are taking the determinant of this one, a22, a23, a32, a33 minus, we are changing the sign of this one, a12, likewise, sorry, here a11 we are taking and we are taking the determinant by skipping this column and this row. Okay, no doubt, but after taking this we are moving towards this one. कोई भी ले सकते हैं आप, रो भी ले सकते हैं, कॉलम भी ले सकते हैं. If we are taking this entry, then we have to skip this row and this column. So only this entry a12, a13, a32, a33. ये रो को स्किप, ये कॉलम को और ये रो को स्किप करना है. इफ यू आर टेकिंग दिस यू हैव टू स्किप दिस कॉलम एंड दिस रो. सेम प्लस साइन चेंज करना है. नाउ दिस वन you can take column wise also or row wise also. This determinant calculation is what similar. आगे हम इसके properties भी देखेंगे. So the properties tells us how to calculate properly. This is just a recalling of what is determinant and how we has already calculated this. So again a31 में क्या करेंगे? This column and this row we have to skip and we have to take the determinant of this 2 by 2, a12, a13, a22, a23, और इसको कैसे कैलकुलेट करना है? जस्ट नाउ बाय दिस मेथड and just by multiplying this one. And again, Cramer's rule is what? Cramer's rule for this such type of system of equation in 3 variable. First of all, हमको ये जो coefficients है, what are the coefficients here? We have to take the determinant of this like this. If this determinant is becoming non-zero, अगर ये determinant non-zero आ रहा है, then only we have to proceed. Otherwise, if this determinant is becoming zero, we have to stop there. हमको वहाँ पे stop होना है, and we have to say that this system is having no solution. Same is the process. What we are doing here in 2 by 2 x1, in place of the coefficient of x1, a11, a21, what we are replacing? This right hand side. Same is the process here. In place of x1, we have to replace these three coefficients, b1, b2, b3. Likewise, for the coefficient of x2, we have to replace this one like this, where d1 is what? b1, b2, b3, यहाँ पे हमने replace कर दिए. We have replaced this one. Likewise d2, we have replaced this one. Likewise d3, we have replaced this one. So this is just for recalling what we already have studied in our schools, determinants and what are the values or how to calculate. If you are unfamiliar with this, अगर आपको ये नहीं पता है, no, don't worry. आगे हम इसके बारे में डिटेल में देखेंगे. But this is just for recalling those who already has studied. Now we have to study this in detail. So let us begin with. This is just a recalling process. Again I am saying. So now let us start properly. So first of all, let us understand what is the meaning of minor. The minor of an element is obtained by taking a determinant by skipping the rows and columns. For example, suppose this is a determinant. अब इसका minor of this first element, we have to just skip this column and this row. ये row और ये column को skip करके जो मिलेगा, तो हम उसको बोलेंगे minor of this element. Minor of a1, minor of b1 कैसे कैलकुलेट करेंगे? By skipping this column and this row. So a2, a3, c2, c3. Likewise, इसका minor कैसे कैलकुलेट करेंगे? By skipping this column and this row. So the determinant a2, b2, a3, b3. So these are the minors. Minor of a1 is this one. Minor of b1 is this one. Minor of c1 is this one. And minor means what? The value of this determinant. ये determinant के value calculate करना है हमको, right? So this is the way to calculate the minor. So similarly, each and every element का हम minor calculate कर सकते हैं. Second, third, fourth, fifth, likewise. So the minors are having very important role. Now in addition with this minor, we have one more term. If we are having this determinant, then a1 into minor of this a1, b1 into minor of this b1 plus c1 into minor of this c1 is nothing but the value of this determinant. ये minor का determinant के साथ क्या relation है? 3 by 3. What is the relation between this? Is first element लेना है, उसको multiply करना है उसके minor से, माइनस साइन चेंज करना है, अल्टरनेट साइन चेंज करना है यहाँ पे डिटरमिनेंट में, फर्स्ट एज इट इज. सो दिस इज द रिलेशन बिटवीन द माइनर्स एंड द डिटरमिनेंट. सो देयर इज वन इम्पोर्टेंट कंसेप्ट, कोफैक्टर. व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ कोफैक्टर? जस्ट वी हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई माइनर minus 1 raised to r plus c. What is this r and c? In which row that element is present, in which column that element is present. Means for example cofactor means what? जैसे for example यहाँ पे minor is what? a1. ये first row first column में है, तो first column and first row we are neglecting, right? First row and first column we are neglecting. So in the way this row is what? This minus 1 is the row and this minus 1 raised to 1 is the row and column is 1. तो जो column में in which column that element is present, जो कॉलम में वो एलिमेंट प्रेजेंट है और जो रो में वो एलिमेंट प्रेजेंट है उसको ऐड कर देना है. जैसे 1 प्लस 1, a1 के लिए क्या आ जाएगा? 1 प्लस 1 दैट इज माइनस 1 रेज टू 1 प्लस 1, सो माइनस 1 स्क्वायर. लाइकवाइज फॉर b1 दिस इज व्हाट? इन द फर्स्ट रो एंड सेकंड कॉलम. सो दिस विल बी व्हाट? 1 1 प्लस वैल्यू ऑफ कॉलम 2. So this is minus 1 raised to 3. So in this way, just अगर हमको minor calculate करने आ गया, so we can easily calculate what is the value of cofactor. Now determinant of any matrix you can easily calculate with the help of cofactor also. Cofactor से भी आप calculate कर सकते हैं. Just multiply the element to cofactor of this, but keep in mind यहाँ पे सब जगह addition रहेगा. No need to worry about the sign here. Just take the first element, cofactor of that. Plus second element, cofactor of that. Third element, cofactor of that. कोई भी element का. यहाँ पे column wise लो या पे row wise लो. Just take second row also, third row also, this column. कोई भी column, कोई भी row you can take easily. So this is the relation between determinant and its cofactors, minus and the determinant. So this is very important one. With the help of this, we'll able to solve the value of determinant in any of the way. So which way you are thinking suitable, you can easily calculate. So this way we will find the values of determinant. इसके examples भी लेंगे हम. We'll take example also. Now let us calculate the determinant of this one. To calculate this determinant, in the same way we will apply the minor way or the cofactor way. कोई भी apply करेंगे या तो minor calculate करेंगे या. So the question is what? With the help of second row हमको calculate करना है. So with the help of second row and with the help of third column. So let us start with this second row. So second row, this अभी जो हमने देखा था cofactor का rule, this element into cofactor of 3, 5 into cofactor of 5, and this minus 1 into cofactor of minus 1. Cofactor of 3, ये column और ये row, जिस element, जिस column और जिस row के अंदर ये element present है, उसको skip करना है, उसका determinant लेंगे. So this 0, 4, 1, 2 is the cofactor, the minor of this, and minus 1 raised to कौन से column में और कौन सी row में present है? In second row and in the first column. In the second row and in the first column. Likewise 5 is present in the second column and in the second row. So minus 1 raised to 2 plus 2, and elements are by skipping this column and this row 1, 4, 0, 2. Likewise this minus 1 is present in the third column and in second row. So second plus 3, and by skipping ये element छोड़ के जिस row के अंदर ये element present है वो element, और जिस column के अंदर ये पूरे elements 1, 0, 0, 1, and we can easily calculate this 0 into 2 minus 4. And keep in mind, whenever we are multiplying, first you have to multiply this first term to this term, then this term to this term. So this is what? 0 minus 4. This is 2 minus 0 into 4, and this 1 minus 0. So this 12 minus 3 into minus 4, 12, 5 into 2, 10, and this minus raised to minus 1 raised to 5 minus plus minus 1 raised to 4 plus 1 minus 1 raised to 3 minus. So sign हमने adjust किया है सब जगह. So this is the value of the determinant with the help of cofactors. With the help of third column अभी calculate करना है. So this is the value with the help of second row हमको मिली. In the same way, with the help of third column we have to calculate. So just take this third column, 4, multiply its cofactor plus this, multiply its cofactor plus this, multiply its cofactor. So this 4 into cofactor of 4, minus 1 into cofactor of minus 1, 2 into cofactor of 2. 4 into minus 1 raised to कौन से column में और कौन सी row में present है? 1 plus 3. So this will be minus 1 raised to 1 plus 3, and the elements are 3, 5, 0, 1. Likewise minus 1 second row, second column, sorry, third column, minus 1 raised to 2 plus 3, and this 2 is minus 1 raised to third row, third column, and the elements are, elements हमको लेने कौन से है? जिस रो और कॉलम में वो एलिमेंट प्रेजेंट है उसको छोड़ देना है. 2 के लिए ये 1, 0, 3, 5, minus 1 के लिए 1, 0, 0, 1, and this one 3, 5, 0, 1. So just multiply this, minus 1 raised to 4, 1, minus 1 raised to 5, minus, and this minus plus -1/6 इवन टर्म कभी भी रहेगा माइनस के पावर में, so that is what, that is already positive. So this is what, 4 into this 3 into 1 minus 50, and this 1 minus 0, and this 5 minus 0. So this is just a matter of calculation. You can try this, try to this, simplify this and try to write your own. खुद से लिखने की कोशिश करो इसको मैन्युअली. जब आप सॉल्व करोगे so you will get what easily what is going on. If you have any confusion, you can write first of all it and try to simplify. Otherwise, ask me. So this is the way to calculate the determinant. So these are some another. This is one another example. This value of determinant is given to be 0, and see one element is unknown to us. We want to find this element. ये element हमको find out करना है. We know how to calculate determinant. कोई भी रो लेंगे और उसके cofactor से multiply करेंगे. Just we'll equate that to 0. So first of all, let us take what is given. Now multiply by taking this 4 and this cofactor, this or minor, -3 into this minor 9 into this one. So if we simplify this equation, we are getting this equation -8x minus 112 minus 9x plus 231 plus 306. So this equation if we simplify further, we are getting, अगर x के term एक जगह collect करेंगे and बाकी terms, remaining terms if we simplify, we are getting this term. And only what we require, x. So just take 425 this side, divide that by 17. So we are getting 25. See this, what are the steps? These are very simple steps. Again I am repeating. Determinant को solve करना है usual way से, by taking this into the minor, -3 into the minor, 9 into this minor, and just this is just a matter of calculation. Try to simplify this. Okay, so here are some examples. Try to solve this, and I already mentioned here, यहाँ पे already मैंने answers भी mention किया हूँ. ये answers को tally करो solve करके. अगर confusion है तो you can discuss with me also, or just try to find out by your own. Along the third row, along the third column, ये calculate करना है. This is what, just simple value to find out the determinant. So let us recall what we have studied already. First of all, the value of determinant, how to calculate, and the values how to calculate with the help of minors and with the help of cofactors, and some examples already we have taken. So this is the way to calculate the determinant. Thank you.